People often ask the question, is the American dream dead? I believe the moment we stop dreaming, we might as well be. Hi, I'm your host, Craig Sewing, the creator of American Dream TV, a national TV show centered around real estate, lifestyle, and culture. A real show showing you real neighborhoods from real professionals. Today, we're going to take you all across the country, showing you why we live in the greatest country on the planet. Let's get this show started right now.
From coast to coast, it's not just about houses. It's about how people live, work, and dream. These streets hold stories. These homes hold hope. And the people, they're the heartbeat of something bigger. This isn't just real estate. This is the real America. One neighborhood at a time. Welcome to your neighborhood. Welcome.
Welcome to American Dream TV. In today's segment, you are going to observe some amazing, jaw-dropping yo-yo drills, and if you can imagine some gravity-defying wizardry in the world of yo-yo.
We are here at Dr. John Meisenheimer, also known as Lucky's Home. He's a board-certified dermatologist and also the charismatic host of Doc Lucky's Yo-Yo Talk on YouTube.
That's right. And I understand that Dr. Lucky has some competitors for tomorrow's event here for us to meet tonight. So come join us. Let's go. Well, here we are, Doc, ahead of tomorrow's competition for the state of Florida. What are you most excited about?
What I'm excited about is just spreading the word of the yo-yo. The yo-yo has been such a ubiquitous toy over the years. If you go back, it's a multi-generational toy is what I call it. Your grandfather knew it, your great-grandfather knew it. It's just been passed down from generation to generation. And if you look back through history, like in the 20s and 30s, the yo-yo was the Nintendo or the Xbox then. That was the big thing. So the history is rich. Yo-yos go back hundreds of years, and that's what I love about the yo-yo. But I love seeing the next generation each time coming up and discovering the yo-yo.
What can you tell our viewers what to look for?
First of all, you're going to see several different styles of yo-yo play. You'll see people doing AA competition where you would use 2 yo-yos, 3A competition, which just incredible, 2 yo-yos working on both strings at the same time. It's just amazing to watch. Then you have counterweight play where the yo-yo is not attached to your finger, it's attached to a ball or a dice. And then off-string yo-yo where the yo-yo is not even attached to the yo-yo. It's more like a Diablo, and all these styles of play are just amazing to watch.
Can you tell us what's behind you and in this room a little bit?
Well, this is a curtain of yo-yos. It's just a fun little thing. Sometimes we do an introduction where people walk through the curtain. Got a lot of different memorabilia up here. We've got award, I call him the Patch Man. These are all different patches over the last 5 or 6 decades that were given out as awards. We've got different packaged yo-yos up here. This little diorama over there is of Pedro Flores, who is considered the father of yo-yos because he brought the yo-yo to the United States in 1928. And although it was here before and called a bandolor, he named it a yo-yo, which is a Filipino term. And most importantly, he ran the first yo-yo contest, which started the first craze, and then everything is history since then.
We're eager to meet a lot of the competitors.
You're going to see some amazing yo-yo throwers.
Okay, let's go meet them. We are so excited to introduce Ryan Connolly, 5-time national champion, and I understand 2024 world champion.
That's correct. Thank you for having me.
Oh, pleasure to have you. Can you tell us what 4A competition is all about?
Sure. The regular yo-yo will be attached to the string, off string 4A, the 4th established division. The yo-yo is a lot bigger. You can drop it. It bounces on the floor and it's not attached to the string. And also with this one, you can use multiple on one string. And this style just really attracted me because it's more open box, like you can throw it anywhere, you can catch it anywhere. And I was more of an athletic kid, so this was similar to baseball in a way, catching the ball, things like that. So that's what really attracted me to it.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, ahead of tomorrow's competition, what are you most looking forward to?
I'm judging, so I'm enjoying the freestyles from that perspective. I'm also doing duos with my friend Sean, so that should also be a lot of fun.
We cannot wait to see it. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And all the competitors.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, we're here with James Heder, and he is
the current Northeast Regional Yo-Yo Champion and ranked top 10 in the U.S. for 1A yo-yoing.
and he's only 13 years old. It is just amazing the tricks he does. Take a look.
Welcome to Orlando's Dezerland Park.
Do you hear the sound of the spinning yo-yos? We're gonna head on inside and check out the competition as it heats up. Why don't you come take a look with us?
I'm so pumped. Let's go. That was so fun.
That was amazing. The yo-yo competition and the duos were fabulous.
It was so exciting. And the grand champion, it was the best. So from Dr. Lucky's Vision and Wisdom to the new state championship, thanks for joining the thrill with us today. We're your American Dream TV host. I'm Veronica Cole.
And I'm Ellyn Siviglia. Keep dreaming big and enjoy the season.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
We created this show to combat negative media, to show that the American dream is alive and well by showing you real stories in real neighborhoods. Thank you so much for watching the show, and cheers to your American dream.